When I built the HTPC in the previous video, I thought I could get away by just using the internal graphics that is available on the 7700, which is the HD 630. But when I did my tests, I found that the graphics GPU was not powerful enough. So I upgraded to the Zotac GeForce 1060. This is a card that uses NVIDIA's Pascal architecture and it dishes out quite the performance. So let's see how it works. There are a number of GTX 1060s available, but the one I have is by Zotac and is called the Amped Edition. This card is pretty compact and has a lot of interesting features. On first looks, the card looks pretty futuristic with 90mm fans on top and to the side distinct copper heat pipes. The card uses the PCIe interface, that's the strip below. Aluminum heat fin helps keep the card cool under load. On the other side we have the Zotac branding and a 6-pin power connector. A 400 watt power supply is recommended, but I am using a 550 watt power supply unit, so no worries. Display I/O, we have DVI, DisplayPort, HDMI and 2 more display ports. It's a tall card, so it takes the space of 2 slots, so move other hardware around to make sure enough room is there for the card. The cooling solution by Zotac is called Ice Storm, and it also has a feature named Freeze, which doesn't run the fans unless the temperatures go above 50 degrees or is under heavy load. So as the fans don't run, the system stays quiet. The card's base clock is 1556 MHz and boosts up to 1771 MHz. The card comes with 6 GB of DDR5 memory. I ran the standard 3D Mark TimeSpy demo on both the Intel HD 630 and the GTX 1060 to show you the difference between them. I'm using the same HTPC from earlier, which has the Core i7-7700 processor, and it uses a Asus B250F motherboard. The RAM, we have the Corsair Vengeance 8GB DDR4 memory, and all runs on Windows 10 Professional. As I have the demo version of 3D Mark, I could only run the one set of tests. Looking at the test, you can notice that the HD 630 only manages around 2 to 3 FPS, that is frames per second, but on the GTX 1060 it manages to push up to almost 30 frames per second. The performance gain is phenomenal for a budget graphics card. So that was the Zotac GTX 1060 Amped Edition. If you're gaming at 1080p with everything maxed out, everything should generally run smoothly. Worst case, a few quality settings need to be lowered. Overall, the Zotac is a good card, runs cool with awesome features for the price, and also includes extended warranty if you register your card online. Link to the product can be found in the description below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also click on the bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching.